NHS Wales Finance. Not all NHS Heroes wear scrubs. The NHS in Wales spends around £9 billion every year. That's more than £24 million every day. Enough to build one Principality stadium every week. We need enthusiastic and motivated finance teams across Wales. We have to ensure we use our money in the best way for our patients. We employ more than 900 finance staff across the NHS in Wales. And we are looking for you, our talent of the future, to join the NHS Wales Finance family. Let's have a look at some of our locations across Wales. There are many ways to start a career with NHS Wales Finance. Directly applying for roles using the track.jobs website. Or how about by completing an NHS Wales Finance training scheme? Two of many training schemes we currently offer are post-GCSE or A-level qualification, where you can gain a degree or accounting technician qualification, and a financial management graduate 3-year scheme where you will become a qualified accountant. During your training, you will have a buddy who is a finance team member who is studying or has recently qualified, who will support you. A mentor who is a finance leader providing you with their experience to motivate and inspire you. Student networks and a dedicated training lead. Support for you will include study time, and we pay you a good starting salary or competitive bursary, depending on the scheme you choose. When you fully qualify as an accountant, you can expect to earn above £41,000 per year. Depending on which scheme you choose, you can also receive 28 days holiday a year plus bank holidays. Have access to a range of benefits such as NHS discounts, flexible ways of working, and a great pension, which you will care about when you are older. Sound interesting? Visit our website by scanning the QR code provided below. So why don't you come and join us and become an NHS Wales hero too?